Have you ever wondered if it's possible to make money online by watching Google Ads? Well, in today's video, we're diving into a step-by-step guide that promises earnings through this method. Stick around as we unravel the process of getting that extra income flowing in, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel to be updated on more Pivot Online money-making opportunities. Step number 1. Website registration. The initial step towards embarking on the journey to earn money by watching Google Ads involves registering on the specified website. Begin by visiting getpaidto.com. Upon arriving at the website, look for the registration or sign-up option prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on this option to begin the account creation process. You'll be required to provide certain personal details to set up your account. Typically, this involves entering information such as your name, email address, and sometimes additional identifying particulars. Once the necessary information is submitted, the website will prompt you to confirm your registration via email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from the website. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm and activate your account. An enticing aspect of this registration process is the promised sign-up bonus. Upon successful completion of the registration and email verification steps, users are often rewarded with a sign-up bonus. This bonus amounts to 25 points, which are credited to your account upon successful registration. Step number 2. Accessing earning methods. Begin by navigating within the website's interface to locate the section dedicated to earning. Within the Earn Points section, users will encounter a range of options or methods available for accumulating points. These options could include surveys, tasks, offers, or specific tasks tailored for point acquisition. To focus on earning points through watching Google Ads specifically, it's crucial to identify the dedicated or specified option related to this activity. Look for a section or label, often termed as Quick Points, which pertains specifically to the process of accumulating points by viewing Google advertisements. Upon selecting the Quick Points option, users are directed towards a pathway tailored explicitly for engaging with Google Ads. This pathway streamlines the process, ensuring direct access to the ads and the subsequent accumulation of points associated with each viewed advertisement. The interface may present a series of URLs or links leading to the ads, prompting users to engage with each ad for a stipulated duration or follow specific instructions outlined by the platform. Successfully completing these steps guarantees the allocation of points to the user's account, contributing to their overall point balance. Step number 3. Watching ads for points. Begin by clicking on the designated URLs or links provided within the platform's interface. These URLs are direct pathways leading to Google advertisements specifically selected or curated by the platform for users to interact with. Upon clicking the URL, users are directed to the respective ad page, where instructions or guidelines for engagement are typically provided. It's imperative to adhere to these instructions, as they often dictate the required actions or duration of interaction necessary to earn points effectively. Users may be instructed to engage with the ad for a specified duration, commonly around 30 seconds, ensuring a minimal level of interaction to validate the viewing process. After fulfilling the necessary actions or time duration as directed by the platform, users can then return to the main website interface. The completion of these steps triggers the allocation of points to the user's account, corresponding to the successful viewing and interaction with the Google advertisement. It's noteworthy that the available ads refresh periodically, usually every 24 hours. This refreshing cycle provides users with consistent opportunities to engage with new ads daily, perpetuating the process of accruing points through the act of watching Google advertisements. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Step number 4. Accessing the referral program. Delving into the platform's referral program introduces an additional avenue for augmenting earnings by inviting others to join the platform, thereby extending the opportunity to earn through referrals. Start by navigating through the website's interface to explore and locate the Earn section. You can find this at the bottom of the page, where you will see the Refer Friends option. Once within the referral program section, users will encounter details outlining the mechanics of the program. Here, individuals are provided with the opportunity to generate a unique referral attributed to each user, enabling the platform to track referrals back to the original user who shared the link. Copy the generated referral link provided by the platform's interface. This link is exclusive to each user and serves as the gateway for inviting others to join the platform under their referral. Share this referral link within relevant online groups, particularly those with a vested interest in exploring methods to earn money online. For instance, platforms like Facebook host groups focused explicitly on discussions and endeavors related to making money online. Posting the referral link within these targeted communities presents an opportunity to reach a receptive audience interested in exploring earning opportunities. Step number 5. Engagement and promotion. Effectively engaging with potential referrals and actively promoting the referral link within online communities constitute a pivotal aspect of maximizing earning opportunities through the platform's referral program. Begin this step by crafting engaging and informative posts or messages intended for interested individuals. These posts should encapsulate details about the platform's earning potential, emphasizing its ease of use and benefits. It's advisable to highlight key aspects, such as the ability to earn by watching Google Ads and other available earning avenues on the platform. Encourage engagement within these posts, prompting interested individuals to express their curiosity or desire to learn more about the platform. Respond promptly and attentively to their inquiries, providing additional information or addressing any queries they might have regarding the earning process or potential rewards. Privately initiate conversations with these potential referrals who express genuine interest in exploring the platform further. Within these private communications, share the unique referral link provided by the platform. Emphasize the benefits of joining through the shared link, illustrating how it connects them directly to the platform while attributing their registration to the user who shared the referral. Bonus tip: leverage Trendry.com. Trendry.com stands as a dedicated online community forum tailored for moneymakers, offering an extensive array of resources, discussions, and opportunities in the realm of online income generation. As an interactive platform, Trendry.com fosters an environment conducive to sharing ideas, seeking advice, and exploring various legitimate avenues for making money online. Utilizing Trendry.com presents a unique opportunity to not only discover diverse methods for generating income, but also actively participate in discussions, ask questions, and contribute insights within this thriving earn money forum. The platform encompasses a plethora of legitimate money-making lists, providing a treasure trove of valuable insights and ideas for individuals eager to explore different avenues for online earning. A noteworthy aspect of Trendry.com is its potential to provide users with an additional earning avenue through referrals. Users can leverage the platform by sharing their referral links within relevant discussions or forums, potentially attracting interested individuals to join earning programs or platforms through their referral links. Stay consistent. Consistency stands as a fundamental principle in any pursuit, particularly in the realm of earning money online. Maintaining consistency entails a steadfast dedication to the chosen method or platform for generating income. It involves adhering to a regular routine of engaging with the specified tasks or opportunities, ensuring persistent efforts in pursuit of one's goals. In the context of making money online through platforms or programs, consistency manifests in various forms. It involves regular participation, staying updated with available tasks or opportunities, and allocating dedicated time each day to engage in the designated earning activities. Consistency not only aids in maximizing potential earnings, but also fosters familiarity with the platform, potentially unlocking additional opportunities or rewards for committed users. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.